Rose plant is a winter flowering plant that grow beautiful blooms in its season time to time. But getting it on a constant and daily flowering habit, we need to do a few important things that I will describe to you in this video. We will talk about a few tricks that you must apply on your roses before winters. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Commonly we plant a rose bush in starting winter days and prepare it for its season. When the plant feels comfortable and happy, it grows fast as well. The most important thing to do in starting winters is to check for any disease and problem. You can see this rose plant have black patches, yellow leaves, etc. Therefore, first of all we have to cure this problem. For that I am going to change its soil. It happens mostly due to fungal issues, and its soil mix is very wet, that is causing this problem. As the soil became perfect, gradually these spots and yellowing leaves also go away. Yellow leaves appears due to many reasons that you can solve at home by following a video added in the description box. For the soil mix I am going to choose a well-draining soil mix. You can check out a ready-to-use soil mix from the description box. Or simply mix a part of sand and half part of cocopeat in your regular soil mix, it will work great. And one more thing that is very important to add is a fungicidic powder in the soil mix. It will repel any fungal growth present in your older soil mix, and also strengthen the roots to fight against fungus. This will also solve your black patchy leaves and any chance of dieback disease. I am using cinnamon powder, that is a very powerful organic fungicide. You can use any fungicide, it's not necessary. The another thing you can do is to check for the repotting of rose plant. In this case, rose plant does not requires any repotting, but we have to change the soil, so we will also provide it a bigger pot for further growth in the whole growing season. Simply take the root bowl out of the pot very carefully. You can use such type of tool get it out of the pot. As rose plant is a winter season flowering plant, and can grow as bigger as several feet, therefore pot size is up to you. At least a 10 to 12 inches pot works well. Take the roots bowl out of the pot and remove some soil. You can repot your rose plant without removing its soil, if you are beginner. Fill up the soil mix in the pot and place the root bowl in the center. Fill up the soil, hit the pot slightly with the ground to remove any air gaps. Press the soil with such tool. It's time to water the plant, so water frequently, make the soil fully moist. Now let's come to our next point, that is to prune your rose plant before winters. A soft pruning of upper shoots of rose plant will definitely give it a very healthy boost. You should also cut off the dead and dried branches and leaves. It will improve the immune system of rose plant to prevent pests attack. Pruning and trimming of rose shoots also promotes a fast and healthy growth on the plant. Choose a clean and disinfected cutter and cut off the upper growing shoots and leaves. You should also remove the smaller buds and flowers. After a while we apply a good fertilizer on the rose plant, that give it a very powerful boost to grow over the whole growing season. But for now, the rose plant is in stress, and adding a fertilizer is not good. Fertilize roses when it starts to grow again. The best fertilizer for rose plant is that which have a good combination of nutrients. A detailed article on making a powerful rose fertilizer at home is added in the description box, must check it out. In rose plant care, the right watering style is also important. The major reason of yellow leaves and dieback disease of roses is watering. You should water it very carefully. Water only when the soil feels dry. Overwatering causes many serious issues in roses, so the best way is to water only when soil feels dry. Put it in a semi-shaded area, and as the new growth appears, you can move its pot in the sunny area. So it's all about rose plant care. For any question leave a comment below and follow up this video to keep your rose plant on blooming.